Namaste. You are watching Knowledge Updates on Rasika BeLive. Life is to keep on learning by Rasika Dixit Hatolkar, ID Rasika BeLive 247. Commerce is something which you have never gone familiar with these topics of subjects like economics, business studies, bookkeeping and accountancy. They are completely new but really very interesting. Once you started reading about it, you get an interest in it. So let's start today with the economics. 11th class textbook economics. We are going to start with the first chapter, that is basic concepts of economics. Okay? As I keep on telling you always, read the index again and again. Any subject, textbook, you open, you read the index. What are the topics in that index? Read it again and again. So whenever you heard about that topic or anybody is talking about it, you feel that that topic is somewhere familiar to you. You know about it. It's a human psychology. So read the index again and again. First chapter, basic concepts in economics. Second, money. Third, partition values. Fourth, the economic of Maharashtra. Fifth, rural development in India. Sixth, population in India. Seventh, unemployment in India. Eighth, poverty in India. Ninth, economic policy of India since 1991. 10th, economic planning in India. In this subject, basic concepts in economics, this chapter, we are going to cover the 6 points. Now, what are those 6 points? First, origin of economics. Second, meaning of economics. Third, definition of economics. Fourth, branches of economics. Fifth, differences of growth and development. Sixth, question and answers at the end of the textbook. We are going to cover that. I repeat again, see, in this we are going to start with the first, that is origin of economics. In this video, I have just introduced you that what we are going to start with 11th standard economic textbook, HSC board, first chapter. We have read the index. We have seen which is the first chapter we are going to start in the next period, and in that period we are going to cover the first topic, which is origin of economics. Till that, read the textbook and watch the video again and again. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, click on a bell icon so you get the first updates, like, comment and share to all my videos. Thank you so much. Till that, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.